Welcome to another ecosports video. We're going to check out Wisemans Ferry. It's a wonderful view from Hawkins Lookout and the Wiseman Ferry area. What you see behind me is Australia's oldest ferry crossing, the Wisemans Ferry on the Hawkesbury River, north of Sydney. So the ferry's operated on cables to keep it straight. It's a trip across the river. There's a larger one and a smaller one. So Wiseman was an ex-convict and settled in the area and is given a parcel of land to farm. The ferry operates day and night, 7 days a week. Unless there's a major flood, then they'll be stored on land and the ferry closed. The caravan fits on it.
Take a video of it and you can watch it later. Right in the middle, mate.
Alright, thanks.
Oh, that's good. Right in the middle. Go in, you'll be right in the middle. Here's a Convict Road.
If we can get through the gate, we're going to do the Great North Road Walk, originally built by convicts in the 1800s. So just made it across the ferry. It's a fun trip in the car. Squeeze, squeeze!
Oh, I made it.
Nice welcome from the indigenous culture, the Australian Aboriginals.
What are the legs up there, isn't it?
Probably.
Ankles.
This is, put your hands in it again.
You put your ankle in there, that's it.
This is what we do to prisoners here. We lock them up. Guilty! He's guilty!
What's loose a minute ago?
Yeah, you can go now. I'll set you free.
Go in your mulch.
It's a nice day for a bushwalk today. It's summer in Australia, but it's only about 20 degrees and quite cool. So unusual weather, and we're taking advantage of it for a nice walk.
Underground here, there's a drain. But why would they even bother going to the effort of building this? Just let the water go on the road.
No, except washes the road away. It's amazing old stoneworks still exists. This is the fun thing for kids. What's that smell? The convicts only wash once a week. We've got the Hawkesbury River through the trees. Still got some flannel flowers out. It's pretty cool. No rest for the wicked. Flogged on Saturday, church on Sunday, back to work on Monday. That's how harsh life was back then.
You see the dynamite hole ones? It's here. They would have dug
Yeah,
dynamite
just to
in
cut
there,
through the
split
rock.
the rock.
Interesting sandstone. No, I'm not putting my foot in there. Are you doing it?
No, I can't get it in there.
Lost your blanket? That'll be 50 lashes. Don't run away. Convicts were given 50 lashes for escaping. How smelly. The convicts farted a lot because of their poor diet. Yuck. It's amazing how this sandstone brick making stood the test of time. What's under this one? 68 convicts escaped from here. There's a curved wall here and a culvert to divert water underneath the road. A flea lives for 2 to 3 months. Pretty short life. Be good, 30 lashes for bad behaviour or swearing.
The noose was from the tree through there. You just hang the person there, but that note says there's no evidence this happened to you.
We've gone on the uphill trail for a while, so we're going to turn around, go back to the hill and have some lunch. Well, that was a wet end to the bushwalk. Time to get back in the Mini. This is a caravan park on the other side of the Hawkesbury River.
Wisemans Ferry Trip.
Ready for the return journey. Cheers. Action. It's a beautiful view from Hawk's Nest Lookout in the Wisemans Ferry area.
Hawkins Lookout.
Is it?
Hawkins.
Oh, take
Not
two.
Hawk Nest.
Action. It's a wonderful view from Hawkins Lookout and the Wiseman Ferry area.